What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the chemical formula or molecular formula of copper 1 chloride, and then I want to show you how to find the molar mass and molecular weight of copper 1 chloride. So copper, this element is Cu and chloride is Cl. The charge for copper in this case is 1, so it's going to be just plus, and chloride is -1, so it's just negative because it belongs to halogen groups. So then it will be CuCl. So that's the molecular formula for copper chloride. Then if I want to find out the molar mass or molecular weight of this compound, I need to write Cu and Cl. We have only two elements and we have one from each. Copper is 63.546 and chlorine is 35.45. Then you need to add them, 63.546 plus 35.45. That makes it as 98.996 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of copper 1 chloride. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.